Hello friends, I am Dr. Vinod Malkar, Professor of Marketing, and under the topic ICT tools for teachers, I had brought a tool how to prepare a Google form, how to convert into a test, and how to generate a certificate from the Google form. So you all of you know Google has bring these excellent tools to all the teachers, even and surveyor and many professionals, industry people that needs a help of these Google forms. Even all researcher to for their questionnaire and to collect the data, they required these tools as an important tools in the research. So just type in the Google, that is Google Forms, and you will get these kinds of window. The website is docs.google.com/forms. So you will get these kinds of window, and there are these are the things, and these are some of the forms that you find I had created. So this is the blank window that comes. You have to just click on a blank window, then you will be getting these kinds of form, untitled form. Here you can give a title to your form, like an survey of whatever the survey you want to make, or a marketing topic, that is an advertising. If you want to do certain things about an advertising, you can put here. So like that, consumer buying behavior. So whatever the forms, whatever the survey forms that you have to prepare, you just give a title. Just you put the title here and you enter it, so the automatically title comes over here, so no need to repeat type. And you can describe what exactly the form is, why you had made this form under the form description. And then there is a question. There are various formats of question. You can put a short answer type question, paragraph type question, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down. File upload option is also there, so you can upload an image files, video files, and then that will be uploaded on your drive, and that file has been shared to the respondents. Then the linear scale, that is very important whenever you have to add the questions in the form of Likert scale, that is like an satisfaction level questions or agreement level questions. So like at not agree, completely not agree, or highly disagree, or to an highly agreement, or highly not satisfied to an highly satisfied, like 1 to 10 scale, 1 to 5 scale. So you can put this multi-grade, multiple choice grid is also very important, like a statement, I am continuously watching the video. So you have to choice in 1 to 5. So you can make a lots of question in a single matrix in this format. Then there will be a check grid is also available. You can give a date and time to also this. To add the question, there is an plus sign. To transit, you have to know this export option is there, then text is, image is there, video format is there, and split into one various section. These are the tools is also available over there. So this very easily you can put this. If I had how to convert these tools, I have to teach the topic public relation traditional to a digital marketing. So this was a topic, and I had conveyed to my students that, dear students, answer the following 4 questions. So the students has to write their email address, then their name and their class. And in the next side, then watch the video. Once you prepare a video, you can put here watch the video, and write the answers, what is public relations, what the objectives of PR, and explain various topics and techniques of public relations. Then again, the video lectures, if you have prepared and uploaded on YouTube, generally the students are not watching it. To make it them watch this video kind of things, so you just ask such a kinds of question, watch the video, and write the answer. Then these kinds of practical questions that also you can add, and you get a response button here, how many students has responded to your questionnaire. Then with the responses, you can go with the spreadsheets, and you can download that responses in an Excel sheet, and even you can use the SPSS software to upload same Excel sheet for the data analysis if you have used this Google form for the purposes of research. Generally these tools are not knowing, many people after in here is there is a setting format is there, and if you click on setting, so there is an option general, presentation and quizzes. So if you want, if you had made this Google form into form of questionnaire, then they are asking make the quiz, and there is an option, so you can make them as a quiz, and you want to is result immediately after each admissions or latter. So missed questions, correct answer, point value. So you can convert, if this is an MCQ, then you can convert into an the question format, and you will be getting results also. So this is also options available, and then you can add various types of questions here, multiple types of questions. In the send option, you find the button undo. Generally, all the Google Forms are directly an online tool. So whatever the changes you had made, that will be visible to the respondent immediately if you had shared the link. Then that's why sometimes we make the changes, and we forgot to save it, and in that's why there is an undo command is there. You can get a pre-filled link also. You can print this form. You want to share these forms to your friends or the co-author of the paper or anybody, so you can share these forms for further edit also. Script editor, and this is an add-ons tools. So this is very important. There are lots of add-on tools that comes under Google Form, like an you can add a timer to your quiz. So with the help of plugin add-ons, so that are there, you can link this questionnaire to the certificate section. So you can upload the certificate format, and then that will going to generate the certificate also. So this way also you will get all these details from an Google Form. For an hands-on training, you can see also how I am doing this. So if I put here Google Form, and you find Google Form create, so there is an the I have to find out the docs.google.form, so that you can go ahead, and then this will be the link will going to open, and once you click on blank, these kinds of forms will get. And as I explained, there is an lots of types of questions, so that can be added over here, and even you can add image, you can by URL, photos, drive, then you can add a video also. There is an options of YouTube video search or URL you can put here. Then you find here the split you want to section 1, section 2, like this, then you have to put with this section. And then settings, I had already told you, these you can customize with the help of lots of background color that you can change. You can choose the themes from an existing available themes. So like an if I want to make this some themes like an the food and dining or birthday, or any kind of things that you can select whatever the availability. So if I had selected this one, and then you will find the themes is get changed, like in these kinds of tablets. So the themes options are available as I told you. Then these themes and colors that you can change. Preview, you can preview your form in the next section, like this, the preview option, how the forms looks like to respondent. Then the send, that I already told you about this one. And then you can edit and submit, and these presentations you can see this show link to submit another response, shuffle questions, confirm message, then quizzes that make this quiz, correct answer. So these are the options are available, and I told you in the settings, if you in these 3 dots you can come up with these: undo, make copy, get filled print, add collaboration. So if you want to add any people in your collaborations, you just add here email, and then you can share that link also. You can as I told you, you can add the ads-on also, there are lots of options that are available here in ads-on. Whatever your requirement, you can come up with these various. As I told you, you can generate an online certificates with the app Certify or Certify EM and just follow the process. Timely add-ons is there, so Timify Me, so like that, these are the add-ons that you can use to give the time to your MCQ type question. And you can send the forms here. If you want to send you by email, then you should to type a email. If you want to, then you have to this link that you can use. You can shorten the link and copy paste in your WhatsApp group or to group to whom you have to send. If you have to upload same form in the on your website, so embedded HTML code you can copy, and very easily you can generate the Google form. I hope you understood how to prepare a Google form, how to convert into an questionnaire, and how to use various add-ons. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel SK Business for getting all related videos on ICT tools.